Hi, I am Gursimran Singh Garoda, a physiotherapy intern, and you are watching Physiomechanist. In this video, I'll guide the physiotherapy students on the subjects and the books related to the first year of physiotherapy and some tips related to exams. So let's begin. The subjects in the first year of physiotherapy include anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, exercise therapy, and electrotherapy. The other subjects are English and computer. There is no hard and fast rule that these are the subjects that are going to be in first year of physiotherapy, because these subjects can vary in colleges to colleges, universities to universities in different parts of India. So mostly these subjects are included in the first year of physiotherapy. Talking about our first subject, that is anatomy. It is one of my favorite subjects and it involves the study, identification and description of various organs, tissues and body structures. The books that I referred for anatomy were: first, the Handbook of General Anatomy by B.D. Chaurasia; second, B.D. Chaurasia's 4 volume of Human Anatomy. Other than that, I referred to Gray's Anatomy because of its good diagrams and crisp content. The second subject is physiology. Physiology involves the study of functioning of various body structures, organs and tissues. The book that I referred for physiology was Essentials of Medical Physiology by K. Sambolingam. The third subject that I'll talk about is my least favorite subject because it involves lots of cramming. That is biochemistry. The books that I read for biochemistry were Biochemistry by U. Satyanarayan. Second, Biochemistry for Physiotherapy Students by Jagmohan. Moving to our next subject, that is exercise therapy. Exercise therapy is one of the basic subjects of physiotherapy and it involves the study of therapeutic effects of exercises on body and its applications. The books that I referred for exercise therapy were The Principles of Exercise Therapy by Dina Gardner and the Therapeutic Exercises by Kisner Kolbai. Last but not least, electrotherapy. This subject involves the study of therapeutic effects by electrical equipment on the body and its applications. The books that I referred for electrotherapy are Clayton's Electrotherapy, second, Electrotherapy Simplified by Nanda. Some tips for the first year students of physiotherapy. First, study for at least 2 to 3 hours daily. Second, before starting a chapter, get an overview from YouTube videos. The third tip is to make short notes of every chapter you read because notes are very essential. They are going to help you during the exams when you cannot revise a whole textbook in 1 or 2 days. The fourth tip is marks obtained in the exam are directly proportional to the attendance. So more is the attendance, better is the score in the exam. The fifth and the most important tip is to go through previous year question papers. You should be writing down the important questions that are repeating over time and you should practice the question papers from the very beginning. Last but not least, draw as much diagrams as possible in the exam because it makes the paper more presentable and it is more scoring. To watch more content like this, like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon.